What's good, YouTube, man? Welcome back to another video with your boy Jared Vance. And today is a rainy day. I know you won't be able to see the rain coming down, but we taking a Q50 on a drive on a rainy day, and I'm getting wet right now. We got this shorty over there looking at me. I don't know. Oh, let me avoid the water. But yeah, man, finna take y'all on the drive. Yep. Today's a rainy day. Like, the sky is very dark outside. Yeah, we just wanna, I guess, enjoy, listen. I mean, it's a little satisfying when it rains like this. You just gotta drive careful though. You don't wanna be slipping and sliding. But yeah, man. Make sure I like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this, because I will be making more if y'all like them. But yeah, man. Oh shoot. Oh shoot. Oh, I hate driving over big, like, puddles. Not puddles, but like pound. Alright, I don't know what I'm saying, so I'm gonna just shut up, bro. I don't know how you call that. But I'll be scared for my car though. I'm not gonna lie to you. It's completely foggy. I can't see nothing from my front windshield. Riding in 2 lanes, man. Lately, I've been bored. That's a G35. It looked, yeah, it's alright. I used to want one of those cars because I couldn't afford a Q50. But now I can. The light is out. Yeah, just guess. Right quick. I'm not trying to get into all that puddle. You can see one side is dark and the other side is just like clear white. What the heck, man? I bet you like this side is raining and the other side is dry. That's how Florida be. Man. I need a new steering wheel, not gonna lie to you. I know y'all be seeing the ones with the little LED lights. Yeah, I'm trying to get that. But they go for like 700, 800. That's a Type R, dude. That's tough. That's tough. Alright though, chat, that's pretty much gonna be the end of the video, man. Make sure I like, comment, subscribe. I'm gonna see y'all boys soon on another video. I don't know how long is this video, not gonna lie to you, but I think it should be long enough. I think so. I would do a pull for y'all, but I know this car is all-wheel drive, but it feels like it's rear-wheel drive. Cause yo, I be pressing, maybe because I press the gas too fast, but when I do, it's like it can't find no grip, or maybe the issue's in my tires. Maybe I need new tires. I don't know. Last little snippet of the car. It's not too wet over here. I hope nobody looking at me weird. Cause I don't like when people look at me weird. But oh shoot. Oh damn. You know what? It's cool though. Just gotta step in. I thought that was a G37. Alright, man, I'm gonna see. Damn. I'm gonna see y'all boys soon.